Alright, good afternoon. Welcome to the vlog. It's 3:50 p.m. Been off work for about 50 minutes or so. Went ahead, ate the ground beef taco salad like I do normally here from Keto. Technically my second meal of the day. I went ahead and ate some of the leftover pizza this morning, which I broke my fast like around 8:30 a.m. So super short fast that I broke, only 11 hours, so like 7 hours eating window, so 17-7 intermittent fast today. Not too bad. Probably close to 25 to 3,000 calories again today. Let's put like what I figured the macros would be for the pizza that I ate earlier, and then the Qdoba I'll throw down here also. But good day. Gotta go do my Couch to 5K week 5 day 1 today. It's gonna be brutal. It's 83 degrees right now, so I'm probably gonna sweat my arse off trying to get that done. But I'm off tomorrow, so have that going for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here for now. I'll let y'all whenever I get done with the Couch to 5K, and probably wrap up the vlog at some point at that time. Alright. Totally forgot. But today is May 1st, 2018, day 427, vlog number 95. But see you in a little bit. Deuces. Alright, welcome back to the vlog. It's 9:40 p.m. Just sitting here in the locker room at Nitro Fitness, about to jump into the sauna for a little bit of sauna session, and then maybe go to do a cold shower after. Not sure yet if I'm brave enough for the cold showers, but did get my Keto Quest prize package from March. Apparently I might have had it a couple days, just somehow it didn't get told that I had it, but came with this, so if you can read that or not, but if not, I'll just post production a photo of the card. But got 3 new shirts from the Keto Quest, Jason Whitrock and Mama Made Inks, at Mama Made Inks on Instagram. It's Keto Life, Pass the Butter. I got Keto as Fuck, and I got Keto Strong. Keto Strong. But like I said, it's warming up. It's been on for like 8 minutes. It's at 102. Goes up to 150. So I'm gonna wait for it to get a little bit warmer. Disrobe, get in there, turn all the sensors, heart rate monitors, see how everything goes. Might go ahead and just leave the vlog open. And after the sauna, and if I do a cold shower, I'll check back in with you, close out the vlog for the day. But deuces, people. Alright, 10:45 p.m. Just did 30 minutes in the sauna, and I happened to stand 7 minutes or so in the cold shower. It was ridiculous, but rather probably just do a dunk tape, because I don't think it quite worked the way that I hoped it would. But go ahead, in the vlog for the day. It is May 1st, 2018, day 427, vlog number 95. Another good day, ketogenic lifestyle, good meal, not a bad walk. I was a little bit slow on my pace tonight, and I kind of knew it just because I wasn't jogging as fast as I probably should have. But got a nice little sauna session today, so it's always good to get a little sweat on. But like I said, go ahead, end the vlog. Thanks for watching. You be good. I'll try and be good. If you missed yesterday's vlog, you can click or tap over there. See you guys tomorrow. Deuces.